That's for the video, and here is a step. So the last time I recommended one of the best gift card trading app to you, and almost 1,301 has signed up with my referral, and I see it actually you guys are really enjoying it. So they just an update, and also to show you that there are some good rates with the Steam and also Apple gift card and all those offers. Okay, so I'll be showing you how all this works so that you can also know whether their services are fast and reliable as well. So I'll be trading with my Steam. I have a gift card right here, and yes, so we are going to trade with it and see how this one goes. But make sure you like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. And if you want to know more or get to know or watch the previous video, you can check in the comment section or description and then you get that one. Okay, so with this, I'll be showing you the app, which is the gift card to Naira that you can download from Play Store or App Store. When you go there, the download is simple. So that's why most people are signed up. And with the sign up, it's very simple. When you open the app, you tap on sign up, and then you will select your country, whether Nigeria or Ghana as well, before you continue with it to just create your account. You enter your details and make sure you enter this referral code. Okay, please enter it because I am showing you this. So just do that to support me as well. So when you enter the referral code, then you create your account. So now that you are done signing up and logging into your account, then this is what you're going to do. Okay, go to your home on the gift card app and then go to top gift card and then you tap on it. And when you tap on it, you will see there are a lot of gift card right here. We have the Steam, we have the Razer, Massive Visa, Apple iTunes, a lot. So you can check it out yourself. And also at the right side of it, you could see we have the rate as well. So you could see the rate for the Steam right here, and then you can just check through and see more. Okay, but I am here for the Steam. I'm going to trade a Steam gift card. Okay, so when you select that one, then you will select the type of Steam card that you have. You see, we have a lot: USAE code, and then a lot you could see. So always just make sure you will select the type of gift card that you have and also the amount on it. Make sure it is within the one that you're selecting. So you could see this one. We have USA $10 to 500. So if yours is more than 500, then you have to look for another one. But if yours is within 25, like mine, it is 100. I'll go for within the 10 to 500 because it is within. Okay, so I'll be selecting USA E code, and then I'll enter the amount on the gift card, which is the $100. Okay, so you will see the value right here. Okay, cash value, which is 1,000 Ghana cedis. That's for the amount of gift card that you are trading, and in Ghana city, in your local currency. So with the currency that you select or the country that you select from the beginning, that will detect and show you right here. Okay, and then you will upload your card. So you can take a picture of your gift card and then you just upload it right here. And make sure you like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. Now after uploading, then you add a comment, which is the e code. So the gift card, the e code on it, just enter it right here. So let me enter mine and then we will continue with it right here. But if you haven't liked, just like the video and more videos will become right here on this platform. So after entering your e-code, then you tap on confirm. Okay, and then you make sure everything is correct right here. You make sure that it is Steam, it is the e-code, the amount, the rate, the cash value, the comment, and then the points that you'll be earning, which is 1,000 points. And then also we have the caution: your cash value will change if you submit a card in the wrong subcategory. That's why I said make sure whatever that you selected is the same. Okay, and then this trade is final and cannot be cancelled after you proceed. You will not be held responsible for any mistakes. So make sure everything is correct. Okay, please make sure everything is correct, because if you make any mistake, there is nothing that can be done. Then you tap on submit right here. So when you tap on submit, you wait for some time and then it will be done very shortly. Okay, so trade submitted successfully. Then you check the status. You can tap on check status to check it. So either you are at home, you come to look down here, you come to history, and then you will see right here. And as we wait for it, okay, let's give it 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, but as we wait for it, let me just take you through the customer support. Let's say it has taken more than as usual. You go to your profile and then you go to support. When you tap on support right here, it will then load and then give you another page, and then you could see we have send us a message. Tap on it right there, and then let's start with hi. Okay, because that's just a first conversation that most people have with their friends and all this. So let's say hi right here, And then as I said hi in a short time, you could see hello say, how can I assist you please? Okay. So then let's say let's type something like how long will it take for our Steam card to be traded? Okay. So how long? Okay. And then let's send it. Okay. So how long? I don't know. It's appearing not seen here, not seen yet. Okay, so not seen yet, and now it's seen. Okay, so with the first one, we had a glitch somewhere. Our network just so right now you could see that as we just send this message in less than 10-20 seconds, there is a customer service who is also replying back. So this is fast. This is good because let's say you are trading your gift card, and then at some point you realize that no, like it has really delayed and then you want to contact the customer service for help, I think you will get help in a short time. So it is very good with the customer service. And I like how they answer question. And you could see it takes less than 10 minutes to process. So I think we are more far away from the like with less than 10 minutes. Okay, so let's go and check to see whether our gift card has been traded successfully or not. So we come to our history and then we tap on the Steam and then it is still at pending. Okay, you could see right here it is still on pending. So let's wait for some time and then let's see how this will go. And so if you haven't like and subscribe for more. And as we just come back, we could see that there is a new message down here. And do you want to redeem? So let's tap on it and then let's see. It takes less than 10 minutes to process. Do you want to redeem a Steam card, please? And then let's say we have placed an order with already. Okay, let's say we have placed let's say an order but not received yet. Okay, so let's say this. Okay, because you have already done with that one, so we are waiting for it to reflect in our account so that we can know that we have it in our account. Okay, so you could see not seen yet, and it has taken like 5-10 seconds right now. We are waiting to see whether it is fast or sometimes it's on and off. Okay, so with this, let's wait for some time and kindly provide me with the reference ID of the transaction. Simply go to the okay, so um, it is less than 10 minutes though, but as we contact the customer service, they are asking for the reference ID so that they can also follow up. But it is less than 10 minutes, okay? So let's then go and provide so that it will be very fast. So let's refresh. Let's refresh now. Okay, so as I just refreshed, it is successful. Okay, so then we have to go to the customer service and then tell them that it has been successful, okay? So that they will know that everything is fine. Don't just leave them like that, otherwise it's not good. So just tell them solved or um it has been order complete or something. Okay, so let's say order completed, complete now, then let's say thanks, something like that, then let's tap on send. Okay, so the customer service is good, and just in case of what the customer service was saying, just if let's say it has taken more than 10 minutes, okay, and you already receive it, then you go to the history, then you tap on it, then with the code, the reference number right here, you will tap on copy and then you will send it to the customer service, and then the customer service will follow up for you and then credit into your account. So now let's go to our main account and let's refresh right here. So you can see available balance is 0. Now let's refresh and see. So this is how it is, and it is very simple. So if you do not understand anything, leave it in the comment section. I'll check it out. If you want to watch the first video that I talk about the gift card to Naira, then check in the comment section. Everything is also there. Trade on gift card to Naira, and then you'll be able to get your gift card as a cash. So this is Stay alive, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.